Hi guys, welcome back to another fun-filled video with Karen Zima. Now I just finished this one and it's still dripping, and I called this one, when I was done with it, what came to mind was, by the look in her eyes and the expression on her face, searching came to mind. So I'm going to call this one Searching. And it really was a lot of fun creating this. I started out trying, I was getting some realism, but I didn't really want realism. I wanted all the colors to kind of go that way, just everything. And I started out that way and it looked good, but I wanted to kind of let myself go and squirt it and see what happened. And it's a very nice effect, all the drips, color. I really like it. I'm going to show you how I did this, so stay tuned and I'll show you how. If I can do it, you can do it. Alright, I'm back and I brought my palette with me. Now, I already have the colors out that I want for this, a lot of flesh tones. Let's start over here. We have a bright orange and like a pumpkin orange. There's two different yellows, an intense cadmium and then a light pale yellow. In the center I got a black and a white and a lilac. Then over here we have a blue for some tones in her eyes, maybe some of her hair might have some blue tones. It's two different shades of pink. There's a light and a medium. Then turn it around this way, three different intensities of brown. We have a dark, medium, and a light. All these will go into her flesh, if not more tones that I might put out later. So, let us get started on this project. I will show you. We're going to start with the eyes. Now, what kind of brush do I have? It's a number 3, no, it's a number 4. A swatter. Gosh, I don't know. It's just a very, it's worn off. It's all worn off. Snade. Well, anyway, it's a number 4 of some sort. It's a little pointy, and I thought that would be good for details and around the eyes. Almost feels like a pencil. So any brush will do, whatever you're comfortable with. I'm not fussy on brushes. When I wear them out, those might be my favorites, but because you can't buy them in the store. Let's start with the eye color. Let's grab some white and some blue. Let's get a blue in there. It's going to be like, her eyes are, let's put a little warm tone in there. Maybe a little of this light pink. Make a nice eyeball color. Alright, let's go around the eyeballs. It's kind of blue, but that's fine. We'll lighten it up. You know how I work by now. I love starting with the eyes, because if you don't get the eyes right, it's all in the eyes for me. I'm all about eyes and intensity of the eyes. So, if my eyes aren't coming out and I'm having a bad day, I will put it away, possibly white it out. Depends how bad it gets if I don't get those eyes right. They have to be intense. Alright, so that is a pretty nice start for our eyeball color. Let's get some down here, and up top it's going to be darker and around the edges. So that's a good color. Now let's get this, alright, a little bit of orange, put in there, and some pink. Now, in the corners here, we are going to put this darker pink color, and get a little lighter, go along the edge of her eye, just like so. Try this one over here. going to do is I'm going to take some white, mix it up, just keep going like in a round motion to show the curvature of this eye. It gives it depth and more realistic then. And we'll go lighter still after that dries a little. Now we're going to get a nice pink color. Put that in on our lids. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, outline our eyes in this black. Start working more on the forehead. Let's get our pink, put it in with this orange, some yellow in there, get a nice fleshy tone. Make another layer, and that is a nice flesh tone. Another layer of color right over it. I like adding a little yellow to it because it just tones it all down. Makes a really nice flesh color. These days I'm going to switch back to oils. I used to love oils. Okay guys, I refreshed my palette, put out some more colors for the skin tones. Now what I put out, I'm going to try and make this more like another experiment of mine, but more like impressionistic skin tones. And I'm going to have all the brush strokes going that way. And just an experiment, so we'll see how that goes. Some of the colors I added to my palette is this nice tan, it's like a golden yellow, an orange, there's this really pretty green that I want to stick in against the orange because they look good together. And then there's a purple, like lilac color, pink, a black, and a lighter tan. There's a hint of blue there just in case I want to mix some of that in. And I think I'm going to try my palette knife in the strokes. So what I want to do now is, let's see, I'm going to get some yellow. And just kind of brush it in. Let's try another knife. Get it on a nice light purple. Fill it all in. Okay, still working on the flesh tones. What I'm going to do is what the experimental, everything going that way with different tones. Let's get some yellow. Put that in. Some on the cheeks. I think it gives it a nice kind of moody effect. Everything kind of just sliding at an angle and stormy. coming down the last leg of this painting. I am not happy with that area up there. I'm going to make it darker, more black tones in. Let's see how it goes with palette knife. Alright. Then what to do is get this brush, the brush. Alrighty, coming down to the wire. What do we want to work on? I want to get some more tones in the face, not enough. I put out like this really bright pink. I'm going to put a light wash in some areas like so. I'm just about done with this. And sometimes I like to build things up just to destroy them. It's just kind of a style I have that I like to do. I think it makes it more interesting, textured. You know, you just want to go over to this if it's hanging on the wall and say, wow, how did they do that? You know, or what's going on here? It just evokes a response by doing that. At least it does for me. So I hope you guys had fun watching me do this and create it, because I had a lot of fun, and I hope I taught you something today. If I did and you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, because I love reading your comments, and keep on practicing. Until next time, bye-bye.